I'm bored, so make some food with me. Am I the only one that eats when I'm bored? Well, I'm going to search up a recipe. Sorry, I talk a lot. I just seen so many recipes and I don't want to make any of them. But I want food. Okay, we're going to make something. I'm just not sure what it is. Let's use some flour and eggs, because I'm bored. Okay. Actually, let's do like that much. My hands. Okay, egg. 1 egg. Okay, put you guys way back here so that nothing gets dirty. I'm making some. I accidentally cracked that wrong. So. What the hell? Yeah. Okay, how do I do this? I don't want to touch it. Okay, let's just like pile on top of that egg. So what do you want? No. Boy. Okay, so finally, this is what I have now, and we're gonna put this to the side because we don't need it at the moment. You're gonna need 1 container. You're gonna need sugar and brown sugar and cinnamon. So 1 spoon and a half of sugar and 2 spoons, 2 little spoons of brown sugar and cinnamon. So I don't have exact measurements of the cinnamon. You're just gonna like add like a little bit. Okay, and it should look like that. Give it a little mix. Doesn't matter how you mix it, just make sure that you mix it. And then come